Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Uh, do take note of this disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchanges, the past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose, user information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess your risk of your trade before you put in your trade. Okay, with that, I think we'll proceed with the live signals. Let's let me capture the screen. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we have currently, let me see what are the signals we are, what are the trades that are open. Okay, before I forget, I just want to tell you, do take note that from tomorrow we are planning to have three sessions. Okay, this is one in the Asian, one in the Europe, and one in the US. And you can check the time on the YouTube. I think one is going to be morning. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's about 9 a.m. Singapore time. So we are planning to have three sessions. So being, when we have three sessions, that means more trades to be looked forward to and more opportunities. So for those of you who are interested, I mean, of course, you can just come and log in and just you can just travel with us. I mean, getting all the signals. Okay, as of now, I think we have two open trades. Okay, one is euro yen and dollar yen, and what we will do is we will try to adjust these levels, then we move forward to the live trades to do the any adjustments or any new trades we want to look forward to. Okay, before we go on, okay, today we had from the Aussie the interest rate announcement, which was as expected. The forecast 4.35, and they didn't cut the interest rate. So, and followed by, I think tonight we have at 2300 hours we have ISM services PMI, and also do take note that today is US election, presidential election. So there's a lot of I would say there's a lot of volatility to be expected today, maybe not today, but tomorrow, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, because I think the day after tomorrow is also US interest rate announcement, if I'm not mistaken. So we have a lot of data to be digest. The market is really, has to digest all these data, and we have to be very, very, very careful, especially this kind of things. The swings can be pretty nasty, that means either direction. So we got to get ourselves prepared, have a plan, stick to the plan, and go accordingly. Then only I think we should be able to survive this thing. Okay, then one more thing I want to say was, okay, let me look into this euro yen and dollar yen. Okay, we are holding these two trades. Okay, let's look at dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, if you look at this, okay, the time control is down. Okay, the time control is down, and looks like we may have seen the high. Okay, we may have seen the high, and of course we need to give more time for this market to work its way out, and this should come down, okay, eventually. So the 360 is also indicated that the high is seen, and your trade control also says that as long as the price doesn't go above 40 or 45, and we should see the price breaking lower. So I think we will hold this trade, and the stop, I think we can adjust. Okay, the stop loss, I think early on was, we put it at 65, so probably we may want to bring it down to 50. Okay, so we'll bring down the stop by 50. Then euro yen. Okay, euro yen looks a bit choppy. Okay, a bit choppy, and this trade doesn't look that nice. In fact, I think this one we have to let go this trade because I think the euro strength is coming into play. So let's see the euro strength. Yeah, the euro strength is already started coming in. So this is already the trade control has already turned up, and the time control is also pointing up. So I think that trade might not be a good trade. So what I would suggest is you try to close the euro yen, and we'll try to get into some other trades. Okay, let me also adjust my price. So either you can uh, close with the small loss and reduce the stop. Okay, reduce the stop. Uh, so we will be reducing the stop. Okay, let me see what. Okay, the our TP, I think we have to close it at 80. Okay, 75 or 80. We will try to close it. I think 80, and the stop, I think we'll try to reduce it to 166. Okay, 166. Okay, I think this trade we have to let go this trade. Then the other one, okay, the other one is can remain. Okay, let me change the thing. Then we can move forward into other trades. Okay, let me change this. Okay, this one, the stop, we want to bring it down to 66, and we want to close at 80. Okay, this is not a viable trade because the euro strength is coming into play. Okay, the same thing here, we are reducing the stop to 50, and our TP remains the same. So this is also adjusted. Okay, so we have adjusted and made changes to these two trades. So I hope so who are following this trade, do the necessary adjustments. Okay, now let's start off. Okay, let's move forward with the gold, starting with the gold. Excuse me. Okay, looking at gold, let's start analyzing gold because I think that is having a good swings. Okay, so if you see the gold right now, I think your 360 and 720 are up. That means the time control is 360 and 720. So the strength is expected for uh, another 3 hours. Okay, 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, and we'll see whether okay, daily is still flat. Okay, daily is still flat as long as it doesn't break above 2790, and weekly is also flat. Okay, so weekly is also flat. So overall, I think we should be looking to buy. Then also we also want to see how is your PT zones. Okay, the 360 is already three forces are into play. 720 is also up. I think we can comfortably go for a buy, and our target should be at RR2 or higher on the 360 on daily, and maybe SR 7 or 7 or 5 on the weekly. Okay, I repeat, the target, since our RR2 is nearby on the hourly, I think we expect the RR2 to break. So we will try to see daily RR2 and weekly SR7 and 5. Okay, let me see your previous, yeah, your previous day also, previous day, previous week, there is a strong resistance. Okay, that, let's go and get the figure, so at least we have some clear idea how to manage this. Okay, here, gold. So, okay, previous day, that means we have strong resistance at 54 and 57, 2754, 57, and daily RR2 is also about 56. So in other words, about 50, 55. I think the market is moving. Okay, let's catch this move. Okay, it's moving to 56. Okay, 56. So our target is 56, 52 and 56. Okay, 52 and 56, and we have your previous day high at 48. So that is a benchmark level. So we have three levels: 48, 52, 55. So these are the target. I think your weekly is also about 56 and 64. Okay, the market has already started moving. Okay, so let's do this trade. I think I'm also want to be in this trade. So we are going to buy at 40. Okay, now is 5:15. Okay, 5:15, and we have another 45 minutes left on this time, and together with this. Okay, so I think we can buy okay, let me get the stop first. Okay, let me get the stop first. The stop loss, I think we need to put below 40. So we'll try to put at 39. Okay, try to put at 39. TP, we will put a conservative TP either 48 or 52. Then our entry should be at 43. Okay, 43. Okay, let's see one last time. Yeah, there is the market is testing the resistance now. So if we can get about 40, 42 or 43 and 39 as a stop, and 48 to 52 as our target, because since this the 360 is showing strength, I think we expect this RR2 to break. Okay, we expect this RR2 to break. So I think we can put in this order. Okay, this is going to be a momentum trade. Okay, we want to buy 2743, stop at 39, and TP 2752. Okay, this one, the expiry, this is a very a quick trade, so I think I don't want to give more than half an hour, 45 minutes to this trade. So this trade you can put in. Okay, let me key in this order as well. So it's 43 or 42 uh, should be okay, the buying point. Okay, just give me a minute. I also want to key in this order. 43, 39 stop, and 52 TP. So I think the risk is about $4 against $9. I think this is a viable trade. So actually, we want to go for a sell somewhere near 55. So 55 would be a selling trade. So let's see. I remember, this morning I gave a day trading call for a TP because today the gold. I think we are quite bullish on gold today. Uh, okay, this is. I think it's expired. Okay, let me see what order was given. Yeah, we are looking for, okay, 2774. Okay, somewhere tonight we are expecting, we are quite bullish, on gold. So, try to be on the buying side. That means whenever you take profit, try to go and stick to the buy side because the dollar uh, weakness. But again, this is only for today and tomorrow. I'll tell you the signals can be very haywire. So we got to be very careful because of this election and US interest rate coming on board. These are the two things we need to pay attention to. So let's try to get into this trade. So we can see another weakness. See, right now this candle is right now this 15 minute is showing some weakness. So hopefully I think we should see the weakness for another 10 minutes. So 10 minutes we should see this weakness happening. So most likely our order should get filled. Okay, most likely our order should get filled. And if we get it filled, okay, the next barrier, remember I told you the benchmark level is 48. So if the 48 breaks, then we should see comfortably 54. Okay, 54 or, yeah, 54 is a major resistance, 54, 57. So we should be able to see that. And let me see on the 1 minute projection, 1 or 3 minutes projection. Yeah, we can see about 62 also, So let me show you that the other day, we were doing projection. Remember, I said a PT zone target. I don't know how many of you are following. So the one I just want to share with you. Okay, this projection from 2725 2741 half and 2732 half. Okay, 272725 2741 half and 2732 half. Okay, so here I'll share with you the spreadsheet so at least you can see. So this we are doing a projection from 2725 25. If we are seeing that, we should see a target of 50 half, 58, and even 65. Okay, 65. So I think 50 half we should be comfortably seeing 50 half to 55. So these are the projected levels. So we can see somewhere tonight, market moving higher. So we can look forward for a higher price. Okay, let while that price is working. I mean, of course, we are putting the order. So we will see whether we have any other opportunities and any other adjustments we need to do concurrently. See what we are trying to do. Yeah, some of you might be wondering, why we are doing like so many uh, crosses or so many markets, rather than we just concentrate just one and two. See, basically uh, uh, we just want to use the opportunity. Okay, we just want to use the opportunity and get the maximum output, during the time when we are sitting in front of the screen. Okay, so Aussie dollar is filled. Okay, let me see. What order is that? Okay, okay, I'm not sure what Aussie dollar buy open. So if you are holding a buy, I think Aussie also I will discuss. I'll discuss slowly. Okay. Okay. Let me quickly adjust the levels. Then we can discuss on whatever markets we want to do, and we look for opportunity. Okay. The gold is almost reaching our level. So let's see whether the order get filled. Okay. We have order buying at 150 on the yen. Okay, this is, I think this one we need to extend the time for tomorrow. That I think we can do this tonight when we meet up again. So we also have a limit buy, another order. Okay, this is also we can do the adjustment later. Okay, we have a sell at 32.30. Okay, for dollar sing, the one also we can do adjustment later. New Zealand dollar is later. All I think the prices are not nearby, so we don't have to get panic or worried about this, because it's all quite far, and we have to give more ample time for this trades to work its way out. So later we'll do the adjustment, then we can manage this trade. So I think now we don't have to waste time on this. So we will still let this trade work its way. Okay. So as of now, we are trying to close euro yen at 80, and we are holding dollar yen sell. Okay, we are waiting for a lower price, and gold we are trying to enter for a buy. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, the news trading. Oh, okay. Now I get your message. Okay, the news trading, there is an Aussie fill. Okay, that is still holding. Yeah. Okay. I remember this. Okay, because today we were doing this Aussie. Okay, that this I think this one, I think we can close at 66.20. So this one we don't have to wait for 40. We'll try to close at 20 and raise the stop to 66.05. Okay, so at least we make about 13-14 pips on that trade. Okay, so this trade we'll try to close at 20. Right now it's 17, so another 2-3 pips will take. I think we'll take exit with the profit, so we don't have to worry about this trade. Okay, then let me see, the gold is still okay. Now we see the dollar Swiss. Okay, let me change the screen. Now we concentrate on Okay, I I got my gold filled. Okay, the gold is filled. So and the euro yen is also I'm out. So right now I'm holding this gold. So now we see here. Let me see. Dollar Swiss is showing weakness. Okay, dollar Swiss is showing some weakness, and the time control is 120, 240, 360, 360. So that means we can expect another half an hour of weakness. Okay, after that, I don't think we can see further weakness. So if we were to trade that, then we should be shorting near the 60 or 120 high, which is about 86.45. Okay, let's see this market. Then I think we can see whether we can do any trades on that. Okay, now we are into dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar yen, like as I said, we are holding gold now and dollar yen. Only these two trades we are holding. Okay, now we are trying to go into dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss. Your 360 is showing weakness. 720 is flat. Daily is already started showing weakness. Weekly is also showing weakness. So that means that there is no buying force involved. So all are selling force. Okay, if let's say we see the crosses. Okay, let's see the Swiss franc crosses. I think Euro Swiss is also showing weakness. Pound Swiss is showing weakness. Swiss yen is showing strength. So overall, I think Swiss selling is a viable trade. Okay, it's a viable trade because they are showing strength against the crosses as well. So this is a genuine move, what we are seeing. So let's do this. Okay, the thing is hang. Okay, let's do the dollar Swiss. Okay, the target we are expecting is about 85. 85.65. Okay, 85.65. And as far as this entry is concerned, we will try to enter at 30 or 35 and stop above 50, 55. So we have about 35, that means about 20 pips stop loss, and TP at 85.65. Okay, let me get the system's level. So at least just give me 1 minute. Okay, you can see the screen now. Does my system? Okay, the system says the target is about 70, 85, 70, and okay, entry would be 35. Okay, so here we are trying to. This is going to be a momentum trade. Why is this? Yeah, okay. This is going to be a momentum trade, and we are trying to sell dollar Swiss. $86.35. Stop at 55, and I think we will go for a conservative exit. We'll go for a conservative exit at 85. In fact, remember earlier on was 670 and 65. So I think we would go for a conservative exit. Okay, 80 or even slightly lower, higher. I think it's fine. Okay, then this one expiry we put in until for another 2 hours. Okay, another 2 hours. Okay, so this trade we can work. Then let's see the gold one more time, since we are already into the trade. Okay, looks like we are seeing more weakness. Okay, I'm not sure whether this is a failure again. This is hourly is rejected, but your 2 hours and 6 hours are showing strength. So which means that this is should be limited. Okay, I think 39 or slightly higher, so should be limited. So 40 half, that should be, never mind, I think we're still already into the trade. So what we will do is we will try to, I mean, probably we would have got it cheaper, but we didn't we tried to enter at early. Okay, I think we should have got it at 42, maybe $1 cheaper, $1 cheaper. So I think the overall strength is still there. So let's see how is the pullback, and let's see whether this thing is going up. Okay, so I think the dollar yen, I think we are already making money. Okay, in fact this is already coming off, so which was as expected. So now I think we can reduce our stop to 30. Okay, this is how you need to manage your trades, because basically you don't I mean you just have to put in the trade, and you just have to see Excuse me. Give me a minute. Okay. So you just you have to have a plan. Of course, this go manage the trade. Then whatever you see, this is what I mean. You should have your plan. Okay, right now, right now is 52.10. So what we expect is we expect a pullback at least. I don't know whether it's from 52.10 or 51.85. Then we should see a pullback towards 152.30. Then eventually this thing should come down. So this is what our price flow expectation, and let's revise that stop. Okay, stop. So at least we can have a free ride on this trade. So now we have reduced it to cost. Okay, cost, and this is going to be a free ride for us, meaning if it really goes lower, then we would make at least about 70-75 pips. But let's say the pullback is stronger than expected, then worst scenario we will get stopped out at cost and we don't make a single cent. So this is up to you to decide. I mean, it's all whether do you want to exit your profit, exit with the profit now, then you want to do a re-entry, or you want to wait. This all is individual decisions. So this is up to you to decide what you want to do. Okay, so let me share again the okay, the Aussie, I think still it's not closed yet. So right now we are trying to sell dollar Swiss. Okay, we can do the Swiss crosses as well. Okay, but right now if you look at it, euro dollar is showing strength. Let me see whether any other crosses that will be a viable trade. Okay, let me change the screen. So if you see euro dollar, I think this is showing some strength. Pound is showing some strength. Swiss franc is showing some weakness. Yen, okay, only maybe we can look into Swiss yen. Okay, that would be a viable trade. Then I think the rest all are pretty around there. So around there. So maybe Swiss yen might be a next viable trade. So this would be another cross. Let's see the Swiss yen. See what I mean. I mean, I don't know whether you all agree with me, because see you I mean you can that this all your approach is is like you can just manage with one trade. Sometimes you have 2 or 3 trades, then it will be better in the sense that you have more opportunities. More opportunities. That's one, and okay. So I think the gold it looks. I mean, it shows some stability. But the only mistake we did was I think we should have entered about $1 cheaper. $1 cheaper. That means about 42. I think that would have been a better bet. But let's see. I mean, we just feel that this from here it should start to turn up. And of course, the time we are giving is another 3 hours 15 minutes for this trade. So usually, you see, what is so special about our system is we will tell you how long you are going to hold the trade, and where is your profit, Then of course even the trades we put in, all we put in with the proper expiry time. So that means we don't have to manage the trade. It's just that once, I mean, before we put in the trade, we do all the works. That means, how long is your expiry, and what is the validity, what is your target, what is your risk reward, and where is the trend. All the informations are done beforehand. So all you have to do is just sit in front of the screen. Then you just have to manage the trade and to see whether this is coming in our favor, or whether it's not coming in our favor. Then what action should be done, and so on and so forth. So that would be the the easiest way of handling things. Okay, now let me share with you the Swiss yen. Okay, Swiss yen is showing. Okay, in fact, if you look into the trend control, this is showing flat with an upside bias. So 77.30 is the boundary, and right now I think we have seen the trade control is showing some strength, but the only problem is it's struggling its way up, so I don't think we can expect a big profit. So that means we should be exiting at 76.80. Then our entry should be about 76.30. Yeah, about 30. Then stop loss is 76.05, or 76.05. So let me see the system. If the system gives us the same answer, then I think we can go for the trade. Otherwise, I think we can let go. Okay, I think, the system is also giving us the same answer. So 76.30 we should be buying. Below 76.10 we should see weakness. Then we should exit before 76.80. Okay, I think this is a viable trade. I think we can go for this trade as well, since we are seeing some. Okay, this is going to be Swiss yen. Okay, limit buy 76.30, 76.05, sorry, 05, and 76.80. And this one expiry we give 2 hours. So about 8 o'clock, yeah. So this is the thing. Okay, now if you see the gold, I mean, if you, let's say we get stopped out, okay, I think it's approaching the stop. So let's see, we can do a re-entry on that. Okay, that one I think, let's see, if let's assume you get stopped out, okay, the next support would be system hang again. Okay, hold on. Okay, still we are safe, but let me see. Okay, the next entry would be near 2735 and 2732. So this would be your next re-entry. So 2732 is a support. So we should be looking to buy somewhere 2735. So in the event, I mean, if let's say we get stopped out, we'll try to buy at 35, then we'll try to exit at 48. That means we'll put a very conservative level for this. Okay, let's assume this thing gets stopped out. So what we can do? Okay, what we can do is, okay, let me see the trade. Okay, what we can do, we will try to, because what we feel is, okay, let me see how long is this weakness can last. Okay, let me see. Okay, the most I think we should see the weakness last for another 10 more minutes. Okay, so we are not expecting another more than 10 minutes. So what we will do is, okay, we will try to do a re-entry on this. Okay, of course this is day trading because we're trying to get it cheaper. Okay, buy at 2735 and stop at 31 half and 2748. Okay, this is should be your thing, and this expiry we give until 20 100 hours. That means another 18 plus 2, another 2 hours. Okay, another 2 hours. So we will give this expiry, and I think we should see the price turning up. We'll just see whether this happens. Okay, so this is another buffer trade which we have given in the event. I mean, if let's assume that the trade gets stopped out. Okay, right now I see the price is 41 4170 4140. So let me go back to that screen. Yeah, so we another, I think another 7-8 minutes, I think this market should get stable, stability, then we should see the price moving higher. So but of course, if your 30, in fact 39, I think 38 half should be a better level, but I think since it's okay, never mind. I think since we entered, we should have got it $1 cheaper, then at least I think we can stay comfortable on this trade. Okay, so with that I think I will conclude this session, and I'll see you again at 2100 hours. And for those of you who feel, I mean, who are coming in first time, okay, I hope you understand how we generate the signals. Okay, we will put in, we'll give you the entry, exit, stop loss, together with that the expiry of the time. So then at least you know that, okay, this validity of this trade is only during that time. So then after that, of course, if you get stopped out, then of course we will be giving you a re-entry. If the market is filled, then market turn is in our favor, then we will be going on add-on entry. So there's a lot of things that's been done behind the scenes, so at least for you to um, be in the trade in the consistently, and try to stay in the business. Okay, So for those of you again, for if you're coming first time, okay, if you feel that our system is useful and you feel that okay, this is helpful to you, please subscribe to our services and also please refer to your friends, whoever is this similar trade, so at least we can grow together. Okay. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you again in another uh, 3 hours time. Okay, 2100 hours. Yeah, 3 hours time. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye.